Good morning, Miss G here. What an awesome morning it is. It's a little foggy outside, so it doesn't look like the sun's coming out this morning, maybe this afternoon, so you guys can get out. So today we are going to talk about some math. And with math comes a lot of different things. So we're going to talk about patterns, all right? So patterns are sequences that repeat. It can be movements, it can be colors, it can be shapes, it can be sizes, and it can definitely be beats, like a rhythm. Like a rhythm pattern, which is always nice. I love when we can get those two hay and sticks and go. Love those. Those are a really awesome way to make a pattern is those pattern sticks. I mean those rhythm sticks. I really enjoy those. But today, what I have for us to make patterns with is we have some Legos that I got from that are my nephews. We have some markers, which I probably have 3 of each color at this point. We have some colored pencils. Whoop. Okay. And we have some colored popsicle sticks. All right. These are all the things that came from my house. The color pencils my mom gave me. The Legos are my nephews. The markers, those are just years of collecting markers that I kind of thought were dead, and I threw them back in the box, and I kept them, and I actually never threw them away, which has no sense. All right. And if you have different colored note cards or things like that, you can use anything that has different colors or different shapes. All right. So what we're going to say is how I define patterns is a sequence that repeats. So when I say it's a sequence that repeats, I mean it goes, I'm going to use my handy dandy box over here. It goes blue, green, blue, green. All right. This is a simple ABAB pattern. There is no trick to it. Just like I can do red, orange, red, orange. This is a simple ABAB pattern. Can you make this more complex? Yes. But are we right now? No. All right. So 2 colors. We're going to start off with using 2 colors first. Just 2 different colors. And now what I want you to do is I want you to find the items that you're going to make your patterns with, and let's make a pattern. All right. I'm going to use some markers over here. I actually also have some pencils. Ooh, okay. I have a little bit of everything. All right, did you make your patterns? All right, so make sure you describe your pattern to your parents. And parents, allow them to describe it and say good job. Do not say if it's right or wrong. All right, we're gonna work on it. We'll just say, oh, that was a good job. All right, so what I found, I have some pencils and some pens. I don't really know why I had those in there, but I'm gonna say pencil, pen, pencil, pen. You can use anything in your house to depict a pattern, okay? It does not have to be anything traditional. You got some old cell phones, you have some movies, we have things like that. Bring them out. Bring them out, all right? We're being very creative at this time. All right. So the next thing we're going to work on is how do you know it's a pattern? All right, because I have all these colors But how do I know that this is a pattern? Like, how can you sit and talk to your child and tell them, oh, that's a pattern, or oh, no, that's not a pattern? Remember, we're not to that stage yet. So this is a pattern because the red and the orange repeats. Now, if I happen to take away the orange, this is a pattern because the red repeats. There's 2 reds and there's 1 orange. So that means the red is repeating. So red, orange, red. And what you want to do is if you set this up right, you can ask what comes after red. And then they'll say, all right? So it's something that repeats, something that doubles, something that it's multiples of, all right? And make sure when we're doing this, we're definitely giving out words, okay, parents? So back to my kiddos. All right, I'm going to do a pattern, and I want you to yell at me whether you think it's a pattern or not, okay? Alrighty, let's see. I got this color. That color. Okay, so my pattern is green, purple, brown, and red. Is this a pattern? Yes or no? Okay, I get it. So, how can I fix it? How can I make this into a simple pattern? What do I need first? Okay, so what color should I use? Okay, so I have my green, all right. All right, then purple. So what goes next? Okay, somebody said green. All right, and then someone said purple. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see what we have in our pattern. So right now, we have, depending on the way you're looking at it, purple, green, or green, purple, green, purple. Whoa, look at that. Is that a pattern? Hmm. Looks like a AB, 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 AB. All right. So that is an AB, AB pattern. So what I always tell the kiddos at school, pick your favorite 2 colors. 2 favorite colors. Your favorite color is orange and yellow. I want you to pick up orange and yellow. And what orange and yellow? My neighbor's dog's looking at me. Orange and yellow, then make orange and yellow into a pattern. All right, so don't pick multiple colors when you're doing an A-B pattern. Pick 2 colors because that's what you're using, okay? So our next pattern, it's still a 2-color pattern, but I call it a skipper. This is what I call it. This is not what it's actually called. I'm sure it actually has a really awesome name. But the reason why I call it a skipper is because I skip around. So I have red, orange, orange, red. This is a pattern. It is a pattern. It could be a 1-2-1 pattern, or it can be a small, big, big, small pattern. But this is a pattern, okay? So when you're dealing with what I call skipper patterns, it means that you're skipping doing it this way. Like you don't want to do it this way. You're skipping over it, right? So you're skipping him. So I skip him and I put him over there. All right, that's why I call it a skipper. I'm sure it actually has a scientific name, but that's what I call it. So right now, this is a 1-2-1, right? Or a skipper. So right now, we're gonna get our favorite 2 colors again. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my orange and yellow. You can get your favorite 2 colors or your favorite 2 items right now. And we're gonna make a skipper pattern out of this, okay? So, all right, once you have your skipper pattern, all right, show your parents. Okay. Transformers. All right, my skipper pattern is orange, yellow, yellow, orange. All right, I have 2 yellows in the middle, and then I have oranges on the side. So if I were to continue this pattern, I would need another yellow, and an orange. I told you guys I have all these markers. Don't ask me what. I don't know. I don't know why. It's crazy. I know. Okay. So I have orange, yellow, yellow, orange, yellow, yellow, orange. All right. That is an extended skipper pattern. All right. Extended 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 pattern. Okay. That's actually, those are really beautiful colors. All right. So that's how you do another way to do a 2-color pattern. So you don't always have to do red, green, red, green. You can do red, green, green, red as well, or green, red, red, green. All right, so for another pattern we're going to do is we're going to leave colors for a little bit, and we're going to go to sizes, okay? When you're doing a pattern based off sizes, the color doesn't matter unless you're doing it off sizes and colors. All right, but we're going to just do it off sides, okay? So this and this, is this big or small? Which one is big? The blue or the red is big? Okay, so okay, blue is big, and then what is the red? Okay, the red is small. Okay, so small, big, small, big. Okay, so this basically is a size pattern. It has to do with the size of the items. Okay, they're both wide, right? This one's taller than this one, so that's the size difference. Okay, let's look at, how about something like this. Okay, these ones. Then these ones. All right, what pattern could I make out of these? Okay, so this one first. Oh, okay, this one. Okay. Okay. So we have a skipper pattern, but we also have a color pattern. So my friend guided me to white, purple, orange, purple. So this has 2 dots, 1, 2. This has 3, 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 3, 2. That's a pretty nice pattern. I actually like this pattern. I wasn't even thinking about this. Good idea. All right. So it's a little bit unconventional, but the purples is what make it the pattern. Okay. So they use the purples for the pattern. And sizes. Okay. So there's many different ways to make many different patterns using many different things. All right. So if I were to use the popsicle sticks and I wanted a little more advanced pattern, not advanced, but more colors. I'd say, I would like a little bit more colors in my pattern. I can use purple, blue, yellow. What comes next? All right, so in your purple, okay, blue, yellow. All right, so what we did was we used 3 colors. So we didn't use our traditional 2, we used 3. We did an ABC, ABC, okay? So we used purple, blue, yellow, purple, blue, yellow. That is this pattern. All right. So you can make a pattern using 3 colors. And just like the skipper, you can do the same thing here. Just a little bit different. Okay, so if you start with purple, you go purple, blue, blue, purple, and then you go yellow, yellow. What color do you think goes next? Purple. All right. So you're using purple as the pattern in the number 2, right? Because you're putting purple and then 2 colors and then purple and then 2 colors and then purple. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Remember? Same thing as our other pattern. So remember we had 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. And here we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So it's still on that 1, 2, 1, 2 pattern. All right. So those are different types of patterns that we can use at home. So what I want you guys to do today is I want you to find some patterns. All right. I want you to find some patterns around the house and send them to me. Send me the awesome, unique patterns that you guys find. I'm really excited. You can use anything, markers, toys. If you have dolls, you can use, oh, the doll has red hair, the doll has black hair, the doll has red hair, the doll has black, oh, the doll has blue hair, blue hair, green. You can use so many different things, okay? You can use magnets. The magnets are different color, like, oh, there's a red magnet, there's a blue magnet, there's a red magnet, there's a blue magnet, or red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green. All right, so I really want you guys to have fun with this today and enjoy making patterns out of things. So I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.